Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to English with Jihad. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm doing well today. Today we are going to learn 6 ways to talk about future plan. When you want to talk about something you plan, you can use these expressions. So let's get started. Number 1. I'm going to. Repeat after me. I'm going to. I'm going to. Number 2. I'm planning to. Repeat after me. I'm planning to. I'm planning to. Number 3. I hope to. Repeat after me. I hope to. I hope to. Number 4. I'd like to. Repeat after me. I'd like to. I'd like to. Number 5. I might or I may. Repeat after me. I might or I may. I might or I may. Number 6. I'm thinking about. Repeat after me. I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about. Very good. Practice these expressions every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.